Hi guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. It's Brittany, and today I'm going to be showing you how I get my mascara routine.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
So the first thing you're going to do is curl your eyelashes. I like curling my eyelashes because it makes my eyelashes look way longer. So this is how my eyelashes look curled. I don't like when the bottom gets curled because sometimes it gets stuck. I'm gonna fix this one after I do this one. First thing you're gonna do is take primer. I have this primer, and honestly I don't really know if primer works or not, but I still use it because I started using it a while ago. So if I feel like if I stop using it, I'm just scared that So this is basically what you do. I'm most likely gonna zoom in because you guys probably have a horrible view of what I'm doing. Okay, this is Britney from the future. Sorry for my acne, I don't know why that just has to pop out right there on my forehead. Yeah, let me just shut up. Okay, so this is how it looks like once you put on the primer. I usually let it dry because I just do. So now I'm gonna go fix this eye and put on primers. So I'm probably gonna fast forward this part. This eyelash primer is from L'Oreal Voluminous Primer. Yeah. Okay, so now I have it on both of my eyes. You guys really have to be careful when using eyelash curler because sometimes it can break your eyelash. Sorry, what? Did I just say break your eyelashes? I meant to say rip your eyelashes. I don't know what's wrong with me, okay, bye. Especially if it's and my dog is gonna start barking and I'm not gonna like this at all. But before I do it, I'm just gonna show you the mascaras I'm gonna be using. I don't even put all of them on. It just depends on my mood and how I'm feeling. This one is Lash Sensational Maybelline. This one is Voluminous Superstar X Fiber. This one is Telescopic L'Oreal. This one's kind of dirty if you ask me. And this one, I found it off Instagram. I saw someone do it and I was like, I like how their eyelashes look. It's Liquid Lash Extension Mascara. It's mascara, I don't know why. This is what I meant. So let me try doing this fast because my food just got here. I haven't even ate breakfast yet because I'm over here doing this in the morning. So now what we're gonna do, I'm using the Thrive Liquid Lash Extension. I'm using this one first. So what we're just gonna do is this. I want you guys to see, but I want to be able to see too. It's okay if you get your lids dirty because you're gonna clean that in the end. So basically I just brushed them and now I'm just gonna blink downwards. I am so sorry. When I meant blink downwards, I meant when you blink downwards, but then the brush is going upwards. You know what I mean? I am so sorry if I'm not very in depth. So this is how it looks like. Now that I'm done with this mascara, I'm gonna use this one. It has number 1 and 2. I don't understand the difference. So I'm just adding a little bit more. I get scared to use this one because if I use this one, I just put it on by itself because sometimes it makes it look clumpy, but this doesn't make it clumpy. It just makes it clumpy when you use another mascara. So I'm gonna be using the Lash Sensational. I actually need a new one because it's running out. A lot of my mascara products are running out and it's not making my eyelashes look as dark and It's making my eyelashes look kind of clumpy, I feel like. This annoying blonde hair is in my way. Look, I almost painted my hair black. Okay, so this is the eyelash. So just look at the difference already. I know it's kind of crazy how I don't even know how I do it, but I just do it. So now we're gonna repeat the same thing to the other eye. I'm just gonna do a fast forward for this too, or maybe I'll just take off the clip, I don't know. So now that we're done with the top, I know my eyelids are dirty, we need it clean. Okay guys, I'm so sorry I didn't show like a video of me taking off the mascara from my eyelids. I wasn't sure if anyone really wanted to see me do that. So like, because you know, like you can do like a Q-tip, you can use a makeup wipe. Is there a dog barking outside? I'm not sure. But if you guys do want to see like a video on how I take off the mascara from my eyelids, just let me know, because I'll be happy to do one just for you guys. Just let me know. So now I'm going to show you how I do my bottom lashes. I don't know if people want to see my bottom lashes or not, but you know, thing. Let's pretend like my eyelid's not about to start crying because I just poked myself in the eye by looking at the camera. This is why you don't film YouTube videos and look at the camera when you're doing eye related things, because then you're gonna poke yourself. I need to buy a lot of new mascaras because I just do. So now I'm gonna be using this one. It has two. So this is the finishing look. I'm sorry if like it wasn't so in-depth, but if you want to see my TikTok on it, maybe it helps you better. I might put a clip right now. And yeah.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features.
And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and we're about to reach 600 followers. Ignore the watch, I don't know where that's coming from, it's somewhere in my room. And I'm so excited to reach 600 followers. Like, we're close to 1,000 subscribers. Like, is that even like, I could just not even imagine that. Like, it's crazy. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to know any of the items, once again, I'll comment down below. Just leave a comment on what you want to know. And bye guys.